Hello class and welcome to FSD 236. I just wanted to quickly go over how I set up Blackboard with you guys. So here is the welcome page. You'll find some information here. I would take the time to read through everything carefully. Here are the requirements to take the class. You cannot do this on your phone. You will lose some functionality, so you really do need a computer to take this course. If you're having any issues with that, please come see me and I will take care of that. So here I have my instructor information. I think you guys all know where to find me. Usually I'm in A217 in the design lab. Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and email me or come by lab and see me. This is where the syllabus is. I expect everyone to open it and read through it. You'll see that I clearly laid out all of the assignments for the entire course. Let's see, it's not going to let me be able to view that. So just pull that up on your own and take a look at it. Here's also the course outline. We're going to have 2 assignments simultaneously throughout the semester. There's 10 assignments. You'll be able to submit all of them through here. They'll all be laid out. They'll be open until the day that it is due. You guys will have 1 week to commit to submit all of your assignments. So I'm not really naming everything week by week. We're just going through every week each assignment. So you'll see on the syllabus that it's easily laid out for you guys. So you'll be submitting your finished projects here. These are the AI or Photoshop files. You'll submit those through there. Then we're also going to be using the discussion board. Each project you're going to have to submit like a 2-3 minute video, just like I'm doing now, showing the steps on how you did each project. I will be putting up videos in every week. I'll make them nice and short and sweet so they'll be easily to access and go through. I'll label each one very clearly so you guys will have a whole thing of the entire course kind of laid out for you. So each week there's going to be a new forum. You're going to have to submit your videos in order to participate. This is part of your grade, so you will have to download Screencast and do probably like a 3-minute video, nothing more, on how you did your work. Then here, wait, I think this needs to move over so you can see this. Okay, so that's going to be in discussions. If there are any announcements, I'll put them there. You guys know my email information. And course content, I wanted to go over this with you guys as well. This is where you're going to find all of the assignments and the weekly work here. Right? So let's just take the time and read through this. Now, each week you're going to have a new assignment. So the first week we're going to start navigating the interface, right? Here I'll give you all of the information on what to download. You'll be downloading Screencast. You'll be downloading Photoshop Illustrator. I had down here brushes, but you know what? The latest PS already has all of those in there, so we really don't need to do that. I'll get rid of that. So here you'll find what you need to do every week, and I will also be putting my how-to videos in each folder. So we have starting navigating the interface. That would be week 1. Week 2, we're going to be going over Photoshop tools. Week 3, Photoshop masks. Week 4, tools and brushes. Then we're going to be uploading hand sketches. We're going to be working on croquis, fashion illustrations, learning how to do patterns in Photoshop, fill, adding texture. And down here, these are all the folders for our term project. You guys will be taking your collections and making them into a working portfolio. We're going to have a mood board, your fashion illustrations, your flats, and we will be making a website. It's going to be really exciting. We're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff in this class. So I'm really looking forward to having a great semester with you guys. If you have any other questions, please let me know. I did open a discussion board for this week. So let's all get used to it. This is really a first for me, so I'm sure we'll be helping each other through this whole course. So I'd like you guys to, let's get to know each other and who you are as a designer. I'd like you to describe yourself. Are you classic? Are you trendy? Are you avant-garde? I would also like you guys to say, if you were able to work for someone, who would it be and why would you choose that particular design house? All right, so get to know Blackboard. Again, if you have any other questions, please reach out. Have a great week. Bye.